In today's guide, I am going to show you exactly how to download, install, and start using the powerful new AI features inside Adobe Photoshop. If you have been looking to leverage tools like Generative Fill to transform your photography and design workflow, you are in the right place. These AI tools save hours of manual editing by automating complex tasks like object removal, canvas extension, and background blending. If this guide helps you boost your creative productivity, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more 2026 software tutorials. Let's jump right into the process. The best and most reliable way to get these features is through the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application. First, make sure you have the Creative Cloud app installed on your computer. Once it is open, navigate to the Apps tab on the left sidebar and select All Apps. Scroll down until you find Photoshop. If you already have it installed, you'll likely see an Update button. Click that to ensure you are on the latest version, as the AI features are updated regularly within the current builds. If you do not have it, simply click Install. Once the installation is complete, open Photoshop. You will immediately have access to the latest suite of AI-powered tools. Now, let's talk about what makes these features so incredible. First, we have Generative Fill, which allows you to type a prompt to add new objects or remove distracting elements from your images. Then there is Generative Expand, a total game changer that lets you click and drag the edges of your canvas to extend your image boundaries, with AI filling in the new space based on the surrounding pixels. The Remove tool has also been supercharged with AI, making it easier than ever to brush over unwanted items and watch them vanish instantly. You can even use the Generate Image feature to create entirely new visuals using simple text prompts or perform automatic background replacements that perfectly match your subject's lighting and perspective. These tools are designed to analyze your image architecture and color profiles, resulting in a professional, realistic blend that you would have otherwise spent hours perfecting by hand. Remember, these features are now standard in your creative toolkit, so experiment with your own photos to see how much time you can save. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more efficiency tips. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!